Some of you had the opportunity to meet a woman named Eleazar Tillett from the Outer Banks of North Carolina today at noon. She was born around 1870 and lived in eastern North Carolina, right in a fishing village there. She sang a bunch of great songs to my folks in the 1950s and 40s too. One of them is an Irish tune, I've been told, called the Jaunting Car, which became a Confederate, a Southern American marching tune during the Civil War, our Civil War, called the Bonnie Blue Flag, but was used in several then later songs, including this one. So it's dated from around 1866, right after the American Civil War, when a Yankee, a Northerner, comes down to work in Reconstruction, falls in love with a Southern girl, and she cannot marry him because of all that's happened. You may recognize the tune. The chorus says, "Hurrah, hurrah for the sunny South, I say. 3 cheers for the Southern girl and the boy who wore the gray." I cannot listen to your words, the land's too far and wide. Go seek some happy Yankee girl to be your loving bride. My brothers, they were soldiers, the youngest of the 3 was slain while fighting at the side of General Fitzhugh. Hurrah, hurrah, for the sunny South, I say. 3 cheers for the Southern girl and the boy who wore the gray. My lover was a soldier too, he fought at God's command. A saber pierced his gallant heart, you might have been the man. He reeled and fell but was not dead, a soldier spurred his steed and trampled on his dying brain, you might have done the deed. Hurrah, hurrah, for the sunny South, I say. 3 cheers for the Southern girl and the boy who wore the gray. They left his body on the field who the fight that day had won. A soldier spurred him with his heel, you might have been the one. I hold no hatred in my heart, nor cold nor righteous pride. For many's the gallant soldier fought upon the other side. Hurrah, hurrah, for the sunny South, I say. 3 cheers for the Southern girl and the boy who wore the gray. But now I cannot take the hand that smote my country sore, nor love the one that trampled down the colors that she wore. Between your heart and mine there rolls a deep and crimson tide. My brother's and my lover's blood forbids me be your bride. Hurrah, hurrah, for the sunny South, I say. 3 cheers for the Southern girl and the boy who wore the gray.